What's up, y'all? It's Cowboy Flute Bob, and I'm back again with one of my many Native American flutes. And we are in the Hocking Hills region of Ohio. Native Americans used to roam this place for centuries. The name Hocking actually comes from Native American hawk, which I believe means bottleneck river, or bottleneck, because everything here is just bottleneck and flows so freely. I don't know the last time anybody played a Native American flute in here, but I think it's about time somebody has. If you haven't been to this region of the United States, you're missing out. It's incredible.